Hello, we are at week 4, which means it is midterm week. These 8 weeks go by so quickly that it's just amazing. But I want to go over the content of our course and welcome you to reach out if you have any questions. You'll be reading chapter 7, which covers media economics, and you'll be also really focusing on the PRSA Code of Ethics. And I have provided a link here for you for that Code of Ethics. The objectives we're looking at are listed here for you. Your discussion board will be on stakeholder theory. And if you scroll down to the bottom, there is a stakeholder theory video that should help as well to make that very clear to you. So you will be discussing stakeholder theory, right about the stakeholder theory of economic success, and share your thoughts on this theory. So in other words, kind of explain the theory after reading about it, and then give your thoughts on it and how you can see maybe an example of how that might work as you work within an organization, with a nonprofit or with a business or educational institution. Just your thoughts on that. And remember, your post should be about 400 words, and then you should respond to at least 2 course mates. Your writing assignment this week is actually another case where you're looking at the ethical use of interns and identifying issues, and that should be about 750 words. So then we have our essay-based midterm, and actually I'm going to go in just a moment and reduce the word count on that because you do have quite a bit of extensive writing, so about 400 words on each question will be fine. You're first looking at situational ethics and Robin Hood ethics and discussing that, and then looking at the stairway to respect and how it is relative to ethics, and what are ethical codes and why do so many professions have them. Question number 3, and there's some follow-ups with that. And so some of this you will see is your opinion and your reflection. So I'm just looking for you to write a well-written answer for each one of about 400 to 500 words, and I will change that word count to 400 to 500 words as we are speaking. And what I find to be useful advice on this is for you to copy and paste this midterm out into a Word document. And by doing that, you can work on it through the week. You don't have to try to do it all in one sitting. And when you do complete it, when you're ready to turn it in, you've completed it, just click here and copy and paste your assignment into this box. That makes it much easier for me to comment and grade it rather than adding an attachment. I know it does give you the choice of attaching, but I just prefer that you would copy and paste it in. So that is your week. And since we are at week 4, let's look ahead a little bit to keep you on track as to what's going on for the rest of the course. For week 5, it's a discussion board, and you begin to work on your critical assignment and complete an outline of it. And I will speak to you more about that next week. And then for the following weeks, 6, 7, and 8, you will continue to work on that critical assignment because the time goes so quickly now. When we have met that halfway point, it's really very quick till we finish the end of the course. So this is a rigorous course. I know when it is taught on main campus, it's over 16 weeks, and it's a heavyweight course because we're dealing with weighty issues, the law, ethics, copyright, all the things that impact journalists and PR practitioners. So to keep your reputation intact, which is very important in this field. So hang in there. You're doing a great job, and I am available to help you. Should you need help, send me an email. We can set up a phone call, or I'll just answer your question by email, or even we can set up an in-person meeting. So God bless you and take care, and I'll talk to you again soon.